In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a dataview table with no results in Obsidian. If you're new to Obsidian or not entirely familiar with how its dataview plugin works, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, open your Obsidian application on your computer. I'm assuming you've already downloaded and installed it, so we're ready to get started straight away. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. If you take a look at your left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of your existing files. If you don't have any files yet, you can create a new one quite easily. There's no need to worry. It's a straightforward process. Locate the note icon in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will prompt you to create a new note where you can label it in any way you like. Now keep in mind, this is foundational stuff, so if you're new to organizing your data, take a moment to get familiar with creating and naming notes. Before we move forward, it's important that you have the dataview plugin installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can pause this video and search for guidance on how to install dataview plugins in Obsidian on my channel. Once you've got that plugin squared away, we're back on track. Let's put this plugin to the test by attempting to view our files. Start by typing 3 backticks. This will automatically conclude itself with an additional set of backticks. In the middle of these backticks, type dataview.js and then press enter. Next, I'll provide a snippet of code that you should pause to copy. You'll notice the code references a placeholder name, your folder. For our purposes, you will want to leave it empty to proceed. Once your initial setup is ready, click at the end of the backticks line and press enter. If you're greeted by a message saying, dataview.js queries are disabled, have no fear. This is simply indicating the feature isn't active. To proceed, we need to enable JavaScript queries. To do this, glance at the lower left-hand corner of your screen and click on the gear icon to access the settings. A more extensive menu will pop up. But for now, you want to focus on the dataview options. Select it, and then find the setting to enable JavaScript queries, and switch it on. We're almost at the finish line. Try hovering over the text again. In the upper right corner, you'll see an icon labeled Edit this block. Give that a click. Without needing to input the name of the file again, just navigate to the end of the backticks and hit enter once more. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now see your results. Or rather, the absence of results if there's nothing to show, which successfully hides empty tables within your workspace. Congratulations on successfully navigating your way through this process with me today.